DasherDirect is a prepaid debit and mobile banking app for US-based dashers powered by Payfare. It provides dashers with no-fee payouts after every dash, access to convenient banking functionality and cash back on gas, dining, groceries, travel, and more. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of downloading and logging into your DasherDirect account. So, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store if you are an iOS user, or go to the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Then, in the search bar, type DasherDirect and search for it. So, here's the DasherDirect app that you're looking for. To download the app, tap on the Get option right here. In place of Get option, there is Open option in my screen. This is because I've already downloaded the app. Once the app has been downloaded in your device too, tap on Open to go to the app. Now, tap on the option Login. To log in, you need to enter your email address and password. So enter the details and then tap on Login. And that's it. You'll be logged into your DasherDirect account. So, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, TechQuest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.